Given cosine t equals negative 0.5 and sine t is less than 0, what is the value of sine of t plus 2 pi? All right, so we know immediately that adding 2 pi, you're just going to end up at exactly the same point that you started with. But we should draw out the unit circle and figure out where that point is. So we have our unit circle and our axes. Okay, I'll move this down a bit. That's better. Okay, so cosine t equals negative 0.5. So this point is at negative 1. So it's going to be somewhere there, which means the point might be there or there. So we have to use this second piece of information. Sine t is less than 0. So sine value is less than 0 when it's below the x-axis, which means that this is our point. This is t down here. Okay, so t plus 2 pi, you go all the way around the circle, and you end up right back there. So let's draw out our lines. Draw a line like that and like that. We know the cosine value is negative half, and we have a right triangle here. We know the hypotenuse is 1. Therefore, what is this side of the triangle? That's going to be the sine value. So we can do the Pythagorean theorem. We know that negative 1/2 squared plus this side, we'll call it sine t. It's actually sine t plus 2 pi, but it'll be the same value. Sine t squared equals 1 squared. So this is going to be 1/4 plus sine squared t equals 4 over 4. Sine squared t equals 3 over 4. Therefore, sine of t equals plus or minus the square root of 3 over 2. And here it is negative, so it's going to be the negative square root of 3 over 2. The square root of 3 over 2 is 0.866, but here we want negative. The answer is C.